So I went to go just remove this the cast off of the exhaust side cam, and it was really hard to pull off. I actually had to like wedge it off, and something's going on because there's metal fucking missing from this shit. And I don't know what it looked like before it went in. So I'm about to take this the rest of the way off, but there's definitely a metal particulate inside of here. Something was rubbing right here. I don't know what was rubbing. It looks like something also chewed up down there. So it looks like I have a fucked up HKS cam gear somehow. So I'm gonna dig in a little further to see if I can figure out what's going on. So something I noticed when I was loosening the cam gear bolts, the 4 bolts that hold on to the cam gear, when I was loosening them with the impact, a little handheld impact here, just to take them off. It's fine to use an impact for that, but I could actually see the face of the cam gear moving, coming out as I loosened the bolt. So I'm guessing they probably were on too tight, or it's a bad design. Either way, I'm gonna test the torque removing the other side and see what we're dealing with here. So I just want to make a note that I tested this side, and one of them broke loose at 120 inch-pounds. These two broke loose at 130. This one broke loose at 140 inch-pounds. So I don't know what the conversion is, but that's what those were torqued to. I don't know what this side was torqued to, but I'm guessing it was probably over-torqued.